All right, so my newest pickup I got is this. It's Prada Black. I thought I would unbox it for you today. I know this is not a brand new fragrance. It is a fragrance I love and one that I've always wanted, but I never purchased it. And then the other day, I actually went to Sephora to get the sample set because I wanted to get infrared spice bomb, but they didn't have the right sample set for me there, so I didn't get it. And I thought, you know what? Prada usually is not discounted, at least not heavily. So it's not like I'm gonna get a better price than retail anyway, so why not get it? So here we go. It's just a regular cardboard box. Feels a little rubbery. And then here's how the bottles come. So they don't come with a cap, they come with this little protector thing here. So it's just a plastic little cover. I guess you could say it is a cap, but it isn't like a true cap like other fragrances are. So here we go. Let's spray it on the box, test it out. I've already smelled this before, wore it, loved it, so I'm excited to have it as a part of my collection. Oh, this is so good. This is just classy. It's a great fall, great winter fragrance. Is very versatile when you consider those seasons. Now, no, I'm not going to wear a Prada Black in the summer. I'd rather wear a Prada Ocean at that point, but oh, I love this fragrance. I love the DNA. I love the heaviness of it. I'm excited to see how it performs. I remember spraying it on, I think it was Sephora or Ulta. I sprayed it on and it lasted like 6-8 hours on my skin. I was loving it. Oh, cannot wait. So I'm gonna wear this today as my scent of the day, and I'll do a follow-up review, let you know how it goes, let you know my thoughts on this fragrance, and just talk more about this fragrance. So look for that in the future. I will say I'm going out of town soon, so I have a bunch of videos pre-recorded that will probably be going live. So the review of this may happen after Thanksgiving, so we'll see. But for now, I am so glad with this pickup. So Prada Black.